Flip for him now. Flip for him now. Oh no! Successful.
Goodbye, Mayberry.
Goodbye. Deucey, bro. You go in with this Deucey. That's fire. I like it. Dude, we actually went. We actually went. We actually went. We almost didn't come. Too many skates. What's up, Casey?
What's up, yeah?
It's good to meet you, bro. I always see you in the videos and stuff. Oh my gosh. I just burn a fire in my heart, and then I'm warm.
But the water wasn't going, no?
It was filled.
With the boots? With the boots on the... Oh, that's how they are. Even your boxers are red. I thought they were like, you know, I thought all of this was like open. Fuck.
This is bro, for real.
You're at an angle though, everyone knocked out. Oh, shit. Don't do it hard. No, I'm not gonna. It's gonna come back in my face. Wait. Hard. Don't hit right here. Somebody jumped on it. I like formed it so good.
What? That, we put an dude, he still somehow like sneezes it out.
Fucking hot. He has fire burning in his heart, that's why.
Wow. That trick is so hard.
What the? What the? There's no way, bro. Bro, are you? Tell the viewers how hard that was, man.
Insane, dude. I've tried. She couldn't even could barely kickflip it.
And it felt impossible, bro. Wow.
The drop is right here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, dude, it's freaking deadly, bro.
Hell no.
This thing is deadly, bro. You're lying, bro. Into the I gotta see, bro. I gotta see. We gotta see what homie's dealing with, bro. Yo, what, bro?
Hey, right here.
Oh my god.
Damn, bro. The bridge, bro. The bridge looks so nice. Bro, the sunset. Wow. You want to be in the vid, Jay?
I'm in a bit. Give me like 20 miles. Have
after all that
Damn,
chaos.
bro. Dude, I know. Dude, this is like the calm after the storm, bro. Oh my gosh. All these homies. These my cats. My dogs.
Where'd you roll?
Dang, they're comfy.
Wow, that looks pretty sick. And then look, they even got like little skate spots along the side.
He's not even. I'll get the left side. You get the right side. Alright, so we'll hold his hands. And then we'll just
You guys got a sprint. Car. Oh no. Dude, we should have had some.
I got one more. One's decent stuff, man. If you got one more.
I'll protect it.
I'm so tired from pulling you, bro.
No, we were running so. Oh my god.
Bro. Dude. Alright.
Oh yeah, I forgot your front shove guy, dude.
Front shove guy. Oh my gosh, I freaking slipped too. That's how slippery the floors are. What's going on, bro? What's going on?
Alright. Watch me blow it again.
Got it. Oh, that one was beautiful. Let's see what we got. Do I got front 180?
Fall off. Ah, dang it.
Oh, he got that. This one's a tricky one.
Probably won't land that. That one's like either I primo or land sketchy.
But I guess I'll give one try.
That was actually just my way to get the set back.
My weakness trick. But sometimes I be hitting them. If I get lucky,
Now I'm just gonna do everything heel flip, dude. Thank goodness, dude. Every heel flip trick.
every
Alright. Need more heel flip tricks. Get wrecked.
Oh, shit. This one's a little slidey.
The slide took your pop, took your landing, it took everything from you.
It was too slidey. Fakey flip? Do I got it while I'm holding the camera? Damn it! I'll take it. See? You gotta finish me off with something difficult. You got him the other way?
Yeah. I don't like it that way, but I can go on. Bro. That's so scary on this ground.
Yes, yeah.
You gotta tray bomb me, dude.
Well, we'll try fakey tray. It's a
Okay.
little easier. A little easier.
I'm telling you, it's too slippery. Wait.
Bro, it's so slippery.
Alright, here you go. Oh, dude, you got the... Oh, wow. There we go, dude.
No!
Oh, man.
Is this my T? Is this my game? Is this E for me? Is this E for me?
Is this the completion of my revenge? Is this the full...
Or do I have it?
The full character arc, dude?
Do I have it? The slippery
Dude,
ground.
you got big flip.
The slippery ground.
Alright, last try.
Oh my god. I have to do this.
Yeah.
Slippery ground.
Maybe someday, dude. Maybe someday.
GG.